Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good time to all of you. This is Hassan in front of you right now. I'm gonna shower with. Right now I'm going to this Mirpur Stadium beside this new building. So right now I share this my something to this this work I completed. That's why I'm coming for this work share with you. So everyone. Today morning time, did you know last day was our Islamic on kind of this special day. This is Shabe Barat. So last night I joined this mosque and sometime I visit, but this mosque a scholar discussed about Shabe Barat, but he is discussed. I can't understand, but he's I don't know. He's another topic he said, but. He not properly he discussed he didn't discuss properly Shabe Barat. So I am very afraid. I am not satisfied. So that's why last day also this day our vacation, today on 4 February in 2026. So this year also this totally special also. So howdy brother. That's why also this is Shabe Barat. Our religion is too much important because we are Muslim, and I know everything you know. So this located also behind this Ibn Sina hospital. So gonna to Mirpur 2. So but I know this located. That's why last day I visited. Also I share with you this located and. Mirpur 6 to Mirpur 2. So everyone, right now I have taken shower and lunch complete. Then I'm gonna to this Mirpur 2. So after lunch, that time we feel very uncomfortable and lazy. That's why I am share with you. And I have this topic Shabe Barat. Shabe Barat is the most important in our religion, but I know. But last day when I was in my house, that time I was on Borguna, my relatives' house. That time I am, but also our relatives and neighbors, our people we were enjoying. But right now when I job purpose and another place we joined, that time totally busy for study purpose, learning purpose. So last day I also visited this road. The big. And there are lots of big building in the road, two sides, left side and right side. So this environment I want to live this environment, but this is not possible permanently if Allah wants. So Allah provide this better than another place. So I should strive to study purpose. So also today this video. Also very unclear because I am very tired and not prepared for my brightness. Also I can't understand because few days after I will be Bangladesh election will going to be Bangladesh election is going to be held. That's why every people they are right now they will go in their house. So that's the reason. Also I will get 3 days vacation. 3 days for election purpose, and election depend for election. If I can Dhaka condition will be bad, that time they will provide lots of vacation. So I have to this practice time. So everyone forgive me. I am sometime learning right now. I am learning of English in English language. So if I can mistake. Right now I am always mistake. So forgive me. This place I also previous time I visited, but and I just thinking. So I'm gonna because my some bestmate there right now they will live. They are living, Mirpur 2 beside the stadium. So this is my previous dormitory. So this place also national practice ground beside this place. new building. This place has too much environment and everything is okay. It's better. Or right now I got to this dormitory, too much gather place, and also this building first floor to ground floor to rooftop. Lots of people stay here. So I didn't get chance. So I previous time visited this place, so I can try to. So if I can. So sorry everyone, right now some people they are very quarrel, that's why my video need lots of sound. And if you, and last night also I should have prayer for a full night, but I didn't pray full night because that time I was a child, and also today like I know last day I know today I have no class, but I didn't join because after decide I dormitory with me join before 10. That's why, and also every single day I have to hard work. Long time have to walk because my classroom and my dormitory long so far distance. And this place, right now I am coming for this located. Also, this located maybe Mirpur 6. I don't know. So just I am finding this Mirpur 2. Right now I am coming Mirpur 2. This road G on, but I forget road. And I can't on house. This house name is Hazir Road block has G road on Mirpur 1. This also this road I am coming. I came arrive this road Mirpur 1 also beside. Actually this Mirpur 1, Mirpur 2, Mirpur 6, Mirpur 10 is near beside. So we don't understand who is Mirpur 2, Mirpur 6, but main location we know. So if you are also right now you are understood. Have you understood my mumbling problem? Mean I'm very tired, that's why. So I'm trying to have to learn. If Allah wants, so I will be successful, but depend for Allah. I can achieve everything, and you can trust everyone, but this walking time I need to just free time. That's why I'm practice just this time. So I need this environment. And also election after will be Dhaka condition. I don't know how will Dhaka condition. So if the Dhaka condition bad, so I have to leave this place because Dhaka depend for my living. And also right now I am below the bed life, and there are two children. How are you, uncle? Fine. As there are two children, there are right now just playing good player. How uncle? How are you? Good, fine. He also very child, different funny people. Right now friendly. So there are when they saw I am making video, they are say hi. And the children Dhaka people also bliss people. This children no compare another adult person. And this on madrasa. This madrasa name in Dhaka madrasa. This located Mirpur. So everyone, this video quality is not good, so I'm trying to, but I'm walking and tired. That's why my voice I can't provide you this good voice and not properly video. And also this month, February month, this is very important for me, but I also lost 4 days. I didn't practice any single day. That's the reason when I walk that time I try to make video, because long time I didn't make video. This is my fault. Also I am coming beside Mirpur 2. Also this road beside. Right now this is the election advertised camp. So this place, right now also our whole country Bangladesh, there are every political party, there are advertising for election, and without advertising not possible for they gain vote. So vote is very important, but Bangladeshi vote is not important. Bangladeshi people totally hanky-panky. So this road, I'm coming for mosque. Mosque also might be in front of you. So I'm coming this side in front of English therapy. So thank you, Rudy. And also this is vegetable shops, the local shops, so potato, tomato, carrots, any kind of. So this is Nurani Mosque. This place is ground, child playground. There are always play. So big mosque. So thank you, everybody. For next topic, next I will come.